What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel for those of you who are returning, and welcome to the new subscribers, new viewers. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw funds from your PayPal account into any South African bank account. This is a follow-up video to a video I made on how to make money using Prolific. I'll link the video up here for you to go check it out if you haven't. So I'll just be taking you through a process of how you cash out funds from Prolific into your PayPal account, and from your PayPal account into your South African bank account. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna move over to my laptop, re-log in again. As you can see, guys, on the 20th of April, Prolific deposited about £45 into my PayPal account. So this is roughly like 890 rands in South African rands. So this amount has been deposited into my PayPal account, and I now need to then move it into my South African account, right? So unfortunately there isn't an easy way or a direct way of transferring funds from PayPal into your South African account, into your South African bank account. So you have to go through FNB, because FNB is the only bank in South Africa that works with PayPal. But from FNB you can then withdraw your funds into any South African bank account. So I'll be showing you guys. Please note, you do not need an FNB account for you to be able to withdraw your funds. Okay, cool. So what you have to do for you to be able to withdraw these funds is to go onto the FNB website and you go register, and then at the bottom of these options there's a register for PayPal for non-FNB customers. You then go click on there, and then you'll say for you, right? Because you're withdrawing your funds from PayPal, it's not for your business. And then once you click on for me, and it will show you these options. I do not bank with FNB, I'm an existing FNB customer with an online, and so forth, right? So you'll just select I do not bank with FNB. So what this will do, it will then open up this page where you'll register for an FNB banking profile. So a banking profile doesn't necessarily mean that you are creating an account with FNB. You're just creating a banking profile for you to be able to log in and withdraw your funds from PayPal. So I already have an existing FNB account, so it's a completely different case. I don't have to then go and register for a banking profile. I already have an existing one, so I won't be doing any of this. Once you are done with the registration process, you should then be able to log into your FNB account. Once I've logged into my FNB account, I'll be greeted by this user interface, and then I will go to Forex. Okay, so under Forex you'll see there's a PayPal services tab that you'll need to click onto. So because I've done all of these things, I'm just going to show you a screenshot of what you'll see when you click on PayPal services. So this is a screenshot of what you'll be greeted with when you do this for the very first time. So you'll see this PayPal services, why use PayPal, and so forth. So you need to create a PayPal account, verify your PayPal account, but you already have an existing PayPal account at this point. And then you then have to verify your PayPal account and then link your PayPal profile. Okay, so that's on the next screenshot. So when you click on the yellow menu button, you should then be able to see link PayPal profile, right? So that's what you're going to be clicking on, and then it will then take you to this page right here. So this will be the page that it will take you to. A lot of these personal details and balance of payment reporting details will already be filled in from your the information you provided when you registered. Okay guys, so at this point, so this is very important, just make sure that the account number that you provide is valid and it does belong to you. Okay, so this could be any bank account, could be any other bank, including FNB. Okay, so you'll then go and fill in the account number, and then you'll specify the bank, and then you select the type of account it is. Okay, and then you can then click on yes if your postal address is the same as a residential. Make sure you fill in all of these tabs, because if you don't, it won't allow you to continue. And then once you do that, you'll then continue, and then you then verify your personal details, your balance of payments reporting details, and all of these other fields. Okay, so you'll then go and say I confirm all of that, and then you confirm. So once you've confirmed, you then get an OTP, which will be sent to the phone number that you used on registration, and then you'll submit. Okay, cool. So it says there are some fields are not valid. Because I've done this already, guys, I'm not gonna go through all of this. So you'll get that OTP, and then you'll then confirm, and then once you've confirmed, it will then take you to this is on step 3. It will then take you to your PayPal account. That's where you then confirm that you want to link your PayPal to FNB. So once you are done doing all of that, I'm just going to show you quickly. You will then be presented with this. Well, the process takes about 24 hours for your account to be linked to PayPal. So what they need to do is they need to verify that the bank account that you've provided does belong to you. And once that has been verified, as you can see, mine has already been verified, you can then go ahead and withdraw your funds, right? So as you can see, my PayPal balance is now showing on FNB's website, and it's USD 61 US dollars, because that's the currency that PayPal uses. It converted this 45 Great British pound to dollars. So that's how much I'll be getting in dollars. Okay, and then the next thing that you want to do is, okay, so you obviously wait until your bank account gets verified, but once everything has been verified, that's when you then go on here, and then you should now see a different set of options, right? And one of the options will be withdraw from PayPal. So that's what you're going to click on, and then it will then show you your primary PayPal email address, and then your PayPal balance, and then the currency. And then under this drop down, you'll then go and select that account that you linked. Okay, and then you'll specify the amount that you want to withdraw. In this case, I'm withdrawing $61. Okay, which is roughly it will actually give us a code on the next screen. Okay, and then here I think because my FNB account is a business account, I'm seeing different options for the reason for transaction. So you might be presented with something completely different. So in this case, I'm just going to select proceeds. You'll select whatever option that makes sense to you in your case. Okay, so I'm just going to go with which one is it? It's one of the options here. Oh, it's this one, 266. Okay, and then I'm going to say get code. So this will give you a quotation of how much you'll be getting with the commission deducted. So it gives you the exchange rate, and then shows that the $1 is 14 rands 3 cents. Okay, and then it shows that the commission that is paid, that FNB will be taking, is 1.51%. Okay, and because when you convert the $61 to South African rands, it's 856. they will then take 12 rand 95 cents, which is 1.51% of the commission. Okay, and then this is how much I should be expecting to go into my account: 843 rand 11 cents. Okay, and then I will then say continue, and then I will then make sure that everything is fine here, and then I'll go and agree to everything. I confirm that all the details that are displayed are correct, and then confirm. And then once I hit that confirm button, you'll see it takes me to PayPal. Sorry, it takes me to PayPal to then confirm that I want to pay this amount into my account, into my account that I linked on the FNB profile. Okay, so once that is done, it will then redirect me back to the FNB website, and then as you can see, guys, the status is successful, and then it shows all the details, and I think it takes about 5. It does say here that withdrawal transactions may take between 5 to 8 business days to reflect in the nominated qualifying account. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's how you withdraw your PayPal funds into any South African bank account. Yeah, please give this video a huge thumbs up if it was helpful, and if there's anything that doesn't make sense or something that you don't understand, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I will be putting more videos like this in the future where I'll be showing you how to do different things with your PayPal funds that you get from Prolific. As I've said in the previous video on Prolific, so I will be starting an online business with the funds that I just withdrew from PayPal. So if you do want to see how that turns out, please do hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Yeah, guys, that's about it for today. I'll see you guys on the next one.